for a luxury estate? Well, look no further. Welcome to 2040 Horn Springs Road, located in beautiful Wilson County in the city of Lebanon.
That's right, you'll enjoy the peace and quiet of country living, and it's only 25 minutes to the Nashville International Airport, and this is the perfect season to enjoy all the beautiful outdoor spaces this home has to offer. And bonus, there's plenty of room to bring all your friends and family.
So come on, let's take a tour.
Professionally designed and curated, this home stands out for its sophistication, but is still warm and inviting. As you move through the foyer into the family room, features include an open floor plan, custom built-ins, and access to the sunroom with views of a breathtaking backyard pool.
Stepping into the kitchen, we find custom cabinetry, chef's grill, plentiful counter space, and a cutting-edge suite of appliances. Off the kitchen is the formal dining room, offering a space that elevates the culinary experience.
Step into peace and serenity in the master suite, featuring an elegant chandelier, soft lighting, calming colors, and luxurious textiles. His and her separate custom closets with built-ins will keep you organized. Enjoy your own private spa experience in the comfort of this master bath, featuring Carrara marble floors, dark Emperador marble countertops, soaking tub, and oversized towel shower with a spa shower system.
Upstairs offers a second master bedroom, ensuite, and 2 additional bedrooms. All bedrooms include oversized walk-in closets with custom built-ins, perfect for a growing family.
The bonus room offers something for everyone. Theater area with professional surround sound, game room with pool table, wet bar with ice maker and fridge, and a perfect space for board games.
Pristinely manicured grounds create a seamless transition between interior and exterior, surrounding the home with delightfully elegant landscaping. This home was made for summer fun with the oversized saltwater pool, covered porch, and expansive bar with built-in ice machine and grill.
The pool house allows you to continue outdoor entertaining with a full kitchen, a full bath, and a changing area that keeps the wet feet and clothes off the main house floor.
Located just 25 minutes to downtown Nashville, 2040 Horn Springs Road is a graciously elegant home, exceptional in every detail, with its distinguishing architecture, sophisticated interior, and delightful outdoor spaces.
Watch a movie, entertain friends, or simply take a dip in the pool.
Or just enjoy the picturesque views only available at 2040 Horn Springs Road. Cheers!
Cheers!